Right, so 2 hours in, and that's the lead boat in the pursuit race. We keep gaining on her and losing on her. It's we keep getting headed and then lifted, headed, lifted, headed, lifted. Nice breeze filling in, which I think will favour us a little bit more. We can actually see the crew on board now, which is the first time we've been able to do that. Some of the super smacks are chasing us, and certainly you would expect them to start to think about overboard shortly, so that's really super. Fighting over there, flying stacer along the big smack over there, standing on a little bit here. Nice lift over on this shore, which I think there is. Yeah, that's coming round all the time, isn't it? Yeah, I was going to say the grass is always greener. I don't think there's any... That's the better tack of the two for us though, isn't it? Stay on it till you get headed. So it's a funny thing with River Blackwater as it narrows up, the winds do all manner of funny things. Having spawn and raised here, you actually get quite good at predicting what it's going to do. But really we're just playing the averages at the moment, a bit like dinghy sailing, tack on the headers. And it's not too much work in this boat, but obviously you lose the time through the tack. That's not always the best thing to do, but you don't want to lose ground. So I mean, really all we're doing here is we're going cross tide all the time. We get carried up by the tides over 5 metres today, so a real guster of the tide. You would never sail against it in this. Ooh, just realised just how close we are to that MN52 now. We've done well on that tack, haven't we? Yeah, I've got it. Well, the stand-on logic comes in again, doesn't it? No, you won't lay it, but you'll be closing the gap all the time.